Welcome to this tutorial on 20 essential command lines tools. Whenever you are a beginner or an expert user, mastering this command will boost your efficiency and let's dive in.
We will proceed our next tutorial naman po. System and File Management. CD, change directory. Need to navigate through folders. Use CD followed by the folder name to move around. Example, CD documents. Next naman po is dir, list files. Want to see what's inside a folder. Type dir to list all files and directories. Example, dir C users. mkdir, create a directory. Need a new folder. Use mkdir followed by the folder name. Example, mkdir projects. Next po is rmdir. Remove a directory to delete an empty folder. Use rmdir. Example, rmdir projects. Next, del. Delete a file when to remove a file. Use del followed by the file name. Example, del report text. Pagpapatuloy po ni Navarro Silbert yung next po.
Copy. Copy files duplicate a file using copy. Example, copy notes.txt, backup.txt. Number 7. Move files, shift files from one location to another with move. Example, move drop.docx. Number 8. Attrib change file attributes. Modify file properties like hidden or read only using attrib. Example, attrib +h secret.txt. Networking and connectivity. Number 9. Ifconfig, display network configuration. Check your IP address and network settings with ifconfig. Example, ifconfig all. Number 10. Ping, test network connectivity. Want to check if a website is reachable? Use ping. Example, ping google.com.
Number 11. Tracer. Trace network routes. See the path data takes to reach a destination with tracer. Example, tracer bing.com. Number 12. Netstat. Show network statistics. Monitor active network connections using Netstat. Example, Netstat -A. Number 13. NSLOOKUP. Query DNS records. Find the IP address of a domain using NSLOOKUP. Example, nslookupmicrosoft.com. System monitoring and troubleshooting. Number 14. Task list. View running processes. See all active programs with task list. Example, task list. Terminate a process. End a program using task kill. Example, task kill /im notepad.
Number 16. CHKDSK. Check this for error. Scan and fix these issues with CHKDSK. Example, CHKDSK. Number 17. SFC scan now. Scan and repair system file. Fix corrupted system file using SFC scan now. Example, SFC scan now. Number 18, shutdown. Shutdown or restart. Turn off or restart your computer with shutdown. Example, shutdown. RT set. Miscellaneous and utilities. Number 19, CLS. Clear the screen. Fresh terminal view. Example, CLS. 20, help. Get command help, need assistance. Type help followed by a command. Example, help, dir.
And this is it, guys. Those are the 20 command lines that will help you navigate, troubleshoot, and optimize your system like a pro. Try them out and level up your command line skills.